Hello and welcome to another update video about Metis here on Sunday. Metis, just a quick update really, just want to go through some of the good coins. Metis, 5 waves up, we talked about that. We talked about wave 2 correction, ideally not dropping below 21.85. The way it looked, it could have gone down to $18, which it didn't, which is good because any drop below the 78.6% fib level is not really great. So in the end, unfortunately, it did not make a lower low below the wave 3, but basically formed a double bottom. So this could be enough to finish off this 5th wave, especially given that the 5th wave in itself is quite long. Yeah, looking at the length of it. So for me, this looks really complete now. We also have an impulse off the low, and I'm quite happy with it. So it basically did what we said it would do. It came down to 78.6 fib level. It started an impulse from there, and the low could be in for Metis. First of all, this low here at $14, the bear market low, and then here now a low in a wave 2. Now if I zoom in, is this ideal? Ideally, I would like to see one more low here, one more low, obviously above $22. So if I label now, sort of do a bit of micro counting here, labeling the subwaves, I'd say this is a 1. Well, this could already be the wave 2 low. That would be a 3, 4, 5. We came down in this, if it is a wave 2 low, we came down to the area between the 38.2 and the 50% fib level. I mean, it's sort of okay-ish, but you know, I'd like to see really it touching the $24 level or come down to 23.50, sort of the 61.8% fib. But this is already starting to move, and a breakout above 25.89 would confirm we're in the 3rd wave. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. You know, the point is, I don't know. It could very well be that this was just an A, B, C here, and we're already finishing in wave 2, or we do get that one more low here. That's just not clear. But the point is, the low could be in here. Yeah, clearly. I can't rule out another low at this stage. And if we break below 22.88, I would say, okay, the low wasn't in, so that will give you a warning. The 78.6% fib level will give you a warning to say, okay, maybe I need to plan for one more dip. But at the moment, it's all looking good. I would now want to wait for that breakout above $25.90, pretty much, that wave 1 high. And then I think in a 3rd wave, we can move up in towards, assuming the low was in now, just to calculate the target, that would take us to $30 in a wave 3. Coming down in 4, moving up in 5. So that's how I see this. And a really good confirmation would be finally if we break above that wave 4 high as well, which is basically just below $30. So that will be very helpful as well. And overall, if I zoom out and we assume that we are now in this larger 3rd wave, so basically wave 1 in yellow done, wave 2 in yellow done with a high probability at least, or at least, let's say not a high, but a decent probability. And then wave 3 to the upside. What would be the target for that 3rd wave? Target for the 3rd wave would be $80, right? So it gives you again a decent reward to risk here, similar to Aave. Just talked about Aave in a video. So yeah, that's how I see this. And let's see if we get there. Let's see if this low is holding again. If this low of the wave 5 isn't hold, and I gave you already the warning level, but if this level doesn't hold, I think we could see that $18 level, the 88.7% fib level, but below that level, I would have to scrap the bullish scenario. But I like it, you know, I like what I see here at the moment. We even have, if we use the indicators here, bullish divergence on the RSI on the 4-hour from that low to that low. Basically double bottom, but here we see a higher low on the RSI. That's always a good sign. Okay, and that's my update about Metis. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.